The business landscape is in constant flux, a dynamic environment where change is the only constant. To thrive, businesses must not merely react to change, but anticipate and adapt, continuously evolving to stay ahead of the curve. This requires a critical assessment of current performance, a clear vision for the future, and a robust action plan to bridge the gap between the present and the desired future state. This workshop, designed for business leaders, provides the tools and framework for precisely this kind of transformative journey. The workshop is not just a theoretical exercise, it's a practical guide to driving tangible results. Through interactive sessions, case studies, and peer collaboration, this workshop serves as a catalyst for business transformation, providing a structured approach to analyzing performance, identifying opportunities, and developing actionable plans. This is your opportunity to take your business to the next level. The workshop starts with a comprehensive business health check is essential for understanding your current position and identifying areas for improvement. This involves a deep dive into key performance indicators, market trends, customer feedback, and internal processes. The health check provides a baseline against which future progress can be measured. It allows you to identify the root causes of any challenges you may be facing and pinpoint the areas where strategic interventions will have the greatest impact. By understanding your current business health, you can make informed decisions about where to allocate resources. The second session focuses on identifying opportunities and gaps is crucial for driving business growth. By analyzing market trends, customer needs, and competitive dynamics, you can uncover untapped potential and develop innovative solutions. Gap analysis plays a vital role in identifying areas where your business can improve its performance or expand its offerings. This process helps you pinpoint areas where you can gain a competitive edge. Section 3, Strategic Prioritization. Focusing on what truly matters. Strategic prioritization is the process of identifying the most critical initiatives and allocating resources accordingly. It involves making tough choices about which projects to pursue and which ones to defer or abandon. By prioritizing strategically, you can ensure that your efforts are aligned with your overall business objectives and that you are maximizing your chances of success. Section 4, Action Planning, Transforming Vision into Reality. Developing an actionable plan is the crucial step that transforms your vision into a tangible reality. It involves breaking down your strategic goals into specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound objectives. By creating a detailed action plan, you provide a clear framework for execution and create a sense of accountability among team members. A clear plan is a powerful tool. Finally, Section 5 focuses on execution and accountability, the cornerstones of success. Executing the plan and maintaining accountability are the cornerstones of success. A well-crafted plan is worthless without effective execution. This involves establishing clear performance expectations, tracking progress against goals, and providing regular feedback. This fosters a sense of shared purpose and empowers everyone to contribute to the success of the plan. Accountability drives results. Networking and follow-up. Support. We offer post-event coaching, where attendees are offered follow-up coaching sessions or virtual check-ins to track progress and provide ongoing support. We also encourage peer support groups. Participants are encouraged to form accountability groups, which meets periodically to discuss their progress. Sign up for the School of Consulting's Business Review and Transformation Workshop today.